Most people just ask AI to make me a website and wonder why they get something generic. Vibe coding is different. You describe what you want in your own words, and GoDaddy's Airo AI Builder builds it for you. That's why in this video, I'll show you 5 fundamentals to vibe coding that can help you save credits and get you a website you can actually use. Fundamental number 1, your prompt is your brief. Vibe coding rewards detail. The more information you give, the better your output will be. Some important elements you might want to include in your prompt are your location, your typical clientele, how you want your site to look, and what features you want from your site, like pricing tiers and customer reviews. Fundamental number 2, leverage your context. Simply put, the more context you provide, the less you'll need to fix later. Give Airo what it needs to personalize the result, like a logo to apply your brand colors, your real prices, and service names, or even a URL that it should use as a reference. Fundamental number 3, iterate. Don't restart. Your first result is a starting point, not the final product. After all, vibe coding is a conversation, not a one-shot command. Use follow-up prompts to refine your design and get closer to your ideal vision. Much better. Fundamental number 4, let AI handle the technical stuff. Security analysts, search engine optimization, mobile responsiveness. These are things that web developers usually spend weeks on. With vibe coding, you don't have to wire all of that yourself. Airo can run SEO and security checks and build mobile-friendly layouts from one prompt. You review, pick a plan, and publish when it's right. And finally, fundamental number 5, preview before you publish. It's always good practice to have one last pass before going live. Check all your links. Make sure everything looks good on different devices, and then fix anything that doesn't feel right with a prompt. And that's it. Those are the fundamentals. A strong prompt, real context, iterate and chat, use AI for the technical pieces, and preview before you go live. Why not try it yourself? Your first 50 credits are free to start building with no credit card required. Go describe something and see what Airo AI Builder makes for you.